good day and welcome to this week's or today's analysis. Okay, so we'll be starting off with our fundamentals before we come back to the technicals. So first, let's go over to our fundamentals. Let's see what's going on or what we are expecting today. All right, on the fundamental in the Forex factory, there's no any major impact news coming up of the United States today. So there's no any fundamental you have to look out for. So that means we are going to go with the technical aspects. And of course, today is Monday, so definitely we are deleting all our previous marking and getting a new ready. All right, so let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, let me delete this too. Actually, they are not really of any significance. Okay, marking out this as a recent high, taking this is good. So now, if the market happens to move above the value for long trades, goes below the value for short trades to this next level. So let's see what really is happening. Now remember on this zone, if you okay, don't just use it that way. If you should have something like this, then that means moving above this, we are targeting this level before we go to this extreme one. Okay, so here that's exactly what we'll be looking at for on today's trade or for this week. Because I'm sure everything will not definitely play out today. So let's still mark this out. Okay, so now since they're bearish, we're gonna see a breakout from this to this level, a breakout from this, we go short to this level. But then let's see what's happening on the 15 minutes chart. Are we taking this trade up? Alright, so looking at the 15 minutes, you can see some low momentum candlesticks formation around this level, but then it's not yet guaranteed that we are ready to actually break above it until that is done. So focusing on we are not seeing we are really moving bearish because this candlestick can really that of encouraging a bearish momentum candlestick. So on the bulls, if you really want to continue on the bulls, what you are expecting to this for this market actually breaking above this for us on this. So that's really what we'll be looking at for this. So on the short trade, there's no any short trade inside, given that this market are cannot really encourage a momentum candlestick. So we are very much are still bullish so long as this level gets it is for a minor pullback for us to go long on pound dollars. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for today on pound. So go to the next one, which is BTC. Okay, well, let's go to the 4-hour chart also. Remember, if there's any marking also, we also be deleting previous markings. Okay, so deleting previous markings to get a new one. Alright. Okay, so now focusing on the H4, we can see our recent high, the low. So let me just go and take this. Now you can see some internal structures around there. Let me still move this. Now you can see some internal structures, internal levels being respected right here. And why they call it internal? Because on the H4 is not really too validated, but if you go to the 30 minutes chart or to the 1 hour, you can actually see there that the market was actually on that particular zone for a long time and was not really able to. You can see it was tested there. Even here, it was not really able to break below, and now it's also still at that level. Say that this level is actually very much validated. Okay, let's actually adjust this a little to take this in. All right. So now, are we seeing our short trades or are we seeing our long trades? So now, for us to confirm if we are going short or long, what we want to see first on the short side is for them actually getting below these previous lows and they probably enter this zone. Then you can think of going short to this next level. Otherwise, I'm also very much bullish. But then my bullish trade, I'm looking out for it. If I can see a breakout from this, then I go for bullish trade. I think that's also clear enough. So on the bearish, that's the only confirmed only if this happens to be taken out, because now looking at it, we're actually seeing some minor change of structures. First, book above this previous level, then tried to come back, but could not. Then book above, could not break below it, then stay here. Then breaking below this, getting down here, could not break above this again, stop me here, but now can also break below this, stop me here, and I can see it. So if it should break below this right now, that's why I said I'll be going short. Because if I have to break this, for me to look for long this and a short trade, so it's better I just wait for it to actually break above this. I think that is clear enough. You know why I actually decided to take the long side or the short side. All right, so that's that for BTC USD. So go to the next one, which is XAUUSD, popularly called gold. It's going to be seeing some bearish move already on this opening day. Okay, this is the previous marking, getting ones. Okay, so let's just delete everything. I think that's all. All right, so now let's mark out our zones, our structures, what we're expecting. All right, so here is the chart of gold. So that means on the bullish side, I want to see a breakout from this. On the bearish, I want to see a break below this. I didn't mark the, I didn't delete this, so I just mark it. Let me see where it's coming from. Okay, it's actually still valid. All right, so on the bullish side, I want to see them actually breaking above this for me to go long. But let me see what's happening in 15-minute charts. I would likely to see that because I already see some rejections. Yes, we're actually likely to actually see that anytime soon. Why? Because you can actually see the market making new series of higher highs. Unable to break them. They're breaking above that, stopping somewhere here. Let me just go up, down here. Now, this you can see it's making some series of low moments. But if you look at the candlestick formation given, so the only time you can actually validate that this market is going to continue bullish, if this level is taken out, then we can think of going long. I think that is clear enough. So my long trade is going to happen only when this level is taken out. I think I explain why I'm expecting that. All right, of course, after analyzing gold, that brings us to the end of analysis. For today, remember we do this every single day, dropping analysis on Forex market and on synthetic to tell you what we do each single day. If this is your first time coming across my video, please do well to make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook or TikTok, hit the follow button. And don't forget to share this with your colleagues, your friends, if you also need this information. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trader ahead. Please stay safe, trade safe, and ensure you don't risk more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. This is just me telling how I see the market, how I trade it. You can compare this to your own analysis. Please do your own personal diligence to make sure that you don't just take my word for it. I wish you a profitable day trade ahead.